Explain leading question. Ans. Leading question. Section 141 of Evidence Act provides that any question suggesting the answer which the person putting it or wishes or expects to receive is called leading question. So a question is said to be leading one when it indicates to the witness the real and supposed fact which the examiner expects or desires to be confirmed by the answer. For example, is it right that you have seen the occurrence? You must have seen Ram being murdered by Shyam? Our example of leading question. Rule of evidence as to leading question is provided in section 142, which says that leading question must not be asked in examination in chief or in re-examination except with the permission of the court. However, as provided in section 143 of Evidence Act, leading question can be asked in cross-examination. In Varki Josephi, State 1993 Criminal Law Journal 2010, SC, Supreme Court observed that the question which suggests to a witness the answer which the prosecution expects must not be allowed unless the witness is declared hostile with the permission of court. A prosecutor will not be allowed to frame his questions in such a manner that the witness, by answering merely yes or no, will give the evidence which the prosecutor wishes to elicit. The witness must account for himself what he had seen.